This is the t-shirt I hope you never have to make. Now, memorial t-shirts have a special place in my heart because I hate to make them on one hand because it means that somebody has lost someone that they love. Now, on the other hand, I'm happy to do it because I get to help do some good with my business. And I do that by offering my best price with my fastest turnarounds. Now, you can do whatever you want with your business, but this is not a time to be nickel and diming your customers or taking advantage of people in a very terrible situation. Now, if memorial tees are something that you're gonna be offering to your customers, or you find yourself in the unfortunate position of having to make them yourself, this is how it's done. First, we're gonna print our graphic using Siser EasyColor DTV and an inkjet printer. Now, for the cleanest edges, I like to use a blade and a ruler, and I'll cut just on the inside of the graphic to make sure that there's no white border from the unprinted background. Next, I'm gonna pre-press my t-shirt for about 5 seconds or so, and this is gonna get out all of the wrinkles and the moisture. I'm gonna peel my transfer off the backing and then bring it over to my t-shirt. I'm gonna position it properly on the garment, cover it with a sheet of parchment paper, and then I'm gonna press it. Now, because this is Siser EasyColor DTV, we're gonna press it at 305 degrees for about 10 to 15 seconds with medium pressure. Once our heat press is done, we're gonna go ahead and open it up. We're gonna remove the parchment paper, and there you go, the t-shirt is now done. Now, if you don't have a heat press, you could get this done with an iron at home. If you're gonna use an iron, make sure that the steam setting is off and that you're using the settings you see on screen. One more tip if you're using a home iron, make sure you're applying good pressure onto the transfer on every last section. Our shirt looks great and it's ready to wear. And now you know how to make the t-shirt that I honestly hope you never have to. To purchase Siser EasyColor DTV or any other heat transfer equipment, head on over to heatpressnation.com and I'll see you around.